Hey there, Adam Erhart here, and welcome to episode 1 of Modern Marketing Minute. Really excited to have you joining me here and for the kickoff of this brand new show, which is all about giving you the most action-packed and valuable insights that I possibly can in as short a period as I can. So, Modern Marketing Minute aims to deliver those best strategies, those best tactics and tools and tips, things that I'm using in my business, things that I'm using in my clients' businesses, and things that I'm seeing successful in my friends and colleagues' businesses so that you can learn them, you can listen to them, and then you can go and apply them in your business for immediate results. Now, this show is going to aim to have episodes between the 1 and 3 minute mark. So don't really want to go much longer than that. If you're looking for more in-depth content, there are the companion shows you can go look at, including Modern Marketing Podcast and the Modern Marketing Show, whether on iTunes, Stitcher, or YouTube. And those are going to provide kind of that more in-depth and more detailed coverage. But if you're looking for a quick hit of ideas, of inspiration, of insight, of anything that you're going to be able to go out there and take and apply, then Modern Marketing Minute is for you. So I'd invite you to subscribe to the show. Looking forward to getting to share all of these great insights with you and hearing about the results that you have with them. So keeping in the theme with Modern Marketing Minute, I'll sign off now and I'll see you in the next episode.